we're back. My SD card filled up. Video takes a lot of memory, so I'm back in business. Still just a couple miles down the road, Sonoma County. Cool beaches, just non-stop, ridiculous, mind-blowing beaches. Not really beaches, coastlines. There are cool beaches a lot of the times hidden in there. Look like good swimming. But the food in Sonoma County is pretty awesome when you can actually find a fucking store that's open. It's just all fucking organic raspberries and shit like that. Whereas a lot of the 101 that I was on, I was just eating fucking crappy, like, packaged bear claws and shit. So that's nice. Right now in my bag I have some saltwater taffy, some organic oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, which ought to be pretty delicious. That ought to get me through the next 25 miles to Jenner, which buying whatever the fuck shit I want. You eat an amazing candy all day long. All day. But anyway, it's my last full day in the saddle. I got a tailwind today, thank God. Yesterday I averaged, I think, less than 10 miles per hour. Today I figure I'll probably do 10 average. Oh, and here's the guy I'm chasing. I'm faster than him, but Yeonju, I think this is his name. I got it written down. He's Korean. He and I were the last 3 days together. Slower than me. He doesn't stop as much. I just stop and get through within every 10 fucking seconds. He's getting past my car right now. Anyway, pretty cool. I should probably stop this because this is going to take like a fucking gig of memory. That's what I'm riding by all the goddamn time, non-stop. Never ending. So, anyway, yeah, this video is kind of, oh man, look at the wave. Flying today with me. God. Alright, I'm gonna go and catch Yeonju.